Can you remove Veed IO watermark for free? In today's video, we are going to see if you are able to remove the videos that you download from Veed IO and if you can do it for free or not. But before we get started, I want you to head down below to like the video and subscribe to our channel. So the first thing you need to do to check is go to Veed IO and then create your video. Once you create your video, you usually go to the Done option, and from here you just click on the export video. But what happens is it will create this Veed watermark on the top right of the video. So in order to remove the watermark, you only have an option to subscribe to its premium version. So it will load up all of the available subscriptions and you can choose which one to go with. And this one is the best value as they are promoting, and once you continue with their subscription, you should be able to remove the watermark. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. I hope you found it helpful. I'll see you on the next one.